Hey everybody, my name is Cornelia and I am part of the International Product Management team at Lumberg. Today I would like to introduce you to the brand new circular connector of Series 04, a fine part with bayonet locking that we are presenting for the first time at Electronica. Our Bajonett Connector is based on our M16 circular connectors with a corresponding pin configuration and rated voltage up to 300 volts. Just like our M16 straight connectors, we offer the possibility for wire diameters from 4 to 6 mm with suitable strain relief sleeves. The product range includes 3 to 8 pole connectors in straight version. Just have a look. Chassis plugs and sockets, as well as crimp and solder terminals. The connectable wire section is for maximum 0.75 mm square. You will receive the connectors unassembled so that the assembling of the cable, the strain relief, and the shell is as fast and easy as possible. If the matching parts are plugged correctly, you will hear an audible click. Now you are able to see a cross-section of the connectors with pins and sockets. Our crimp contacts 0364 and 0369 can be ordered in different packaging units of 350, 5,000 and 10,000 pieces on reel. The assembling of the housing of a crimp connector is the same as for a solder connector. The Series 04 is designed for protection class IP40 and a rated current of 5 amps. In comparison to our Series 03, we see a weight saving of approximately 50% because we are working with lightweight plastic material instead of die casting. Our chassis plugs and sockets are both available for front mounting applications. Additionally, we offer inverted connectors which give you the option to avoid mismating. With this product, we are operating in a temperature range of -40 to +85 degrees. Do you want to hold the connector in your own hands? Do you want to get further information? No problem. Please reach out to myself, Cornelia, or Lumberg sales personnel.